Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I will show you today how to solve exam problem, and if you have a VMware workstation and virtual machine on your operating system, I think you have a trouble with port 443. That's why a virtual machine already using 443 ports like this port in use. And how to solve this? You cannot even start your Apache server, but MySQL works. That's why MySQL on 3306 port. But how to start this port? And I will show you. First, you can go to Apache http://ssl.conf and go to the 443 port and change it 444 and save it. Then click start and Apache server already worked like this. And thank you so much, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel.